Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth session of biology. We are discussing about biodiversity. Today we will discuss about the main causes of extinction of biodiversity. First of all, you should know what is extinction. Elimination of a particular species from the earth forever, that is known as extinction. If it is eliminated, entirely eliminated from the earth, that is known as extinction. And there are many causes of extinction of a species. What are these causes? First of all, it is the destruction of habitat and fragmentation. We are destroying the natural habitats of many plants and animals because of the destruction takes place because of the pollution. The pollution is increasing day by day due to the vehicle industries. The pollution is increasing and the plants and animals are unable to live in that polluted area. Second reason may be urbanization, development of cities, and that is giving rise to the decreasing the natural habitat of plants and animals. Next is deforestation, cutting of the trees on a large scale. That is also going to affect the you can say plantation or the animal wildlife that is present in the forest. Overgrazing in a particular area is going to decrease the plants that are present in that particular area. Soil erosion, because soil is an important factor for the development of plant. If the soil will not be there, then naturally the plants will unable to grow properly, and many animals that are present in the soil also. Next is agricultural expansion. We are cutting the forest for agricultural land and urbanization both, and that is going to decrease the population of plants and animals. We are destructing their natural habitat. Second thing is fragmentation. Fragmentation means dividing the habitat of a living organism into small pieces. There are certain animals like elephants, tiger, and many monkeys also, even birds. These birds lay egg in deep forest. They are unable to lay egg to reproduce in not having proper plants. The forest not having proper plants. So that's why these type of animals will not be able to survive if we are breaking their natural habitat into many pieces. That is known as fragmentation. Next is indiscriminate hunting. Hunting is now prohibited, but still many people are hunting the animals, and there are two animals that are the best example of the extinction due to hunting. First is the bird dodo, recently extinct bird. It was hunted because of its beautiful feathers, and now it is an extinct bird. Another example is cheetah. It is also extinct animal. These animals are hunted on a large scale, that's why they extinct. Next point is introduction of exotic or alien species. The species that are native to that place, that are living in that particular area, they are known as endogenous species, native species. But there are certain species that are brought from other places into a particular place. Sometimes what happens, and these species are known as exotic species or alien. From other places they are brought to that particular place. So sometimes what happens, these exotic species spread so widely that they are going to destroy the native species. There are few examples. First example is that of American cockroach. The cockroach nowadays we used to see is Periplaneta americana. It is replaced by the native oriental cockroach that was native to India, and its name was Blattella orientalis. This is the native cockroach, but nowadays plenty of cockroach because it is an exotic species brought from America only. So that is the example. The exotic species is replacing the native one. Another example is that of Parthenium hysterophorus. It is also known as carrot grass, commonly known as carrot grass. When it start growing, it is an exotic species. Then when it is start growing in an open space, it is going to destroy the herbs and shrubs present in that open space entirely. And you are familiar with the water hyacinth. It is known as terror of the Bengal. It is an exotic species that is occupying the entire space of pond or the water bodies that are present in which it is growing, and rest of the flora and fauna of the pond or the lake destroyed. So these are the exotic species that are going to destroy the native species. Next example is over-exploitation of natural resources. Nature provide fulfill our need, not greed, but we are over-exploiting natural resources for agricultural use, for industrial use, for other uses, and that is the cause of extinction of various varieties of plants and animals. Next point is disturbance of migratory route. Migration, there are many birds and fish, aquatic animals also, that move from one place to another. They migrate from one place to another in search of proper climatic condition, for reproduction and many other purposes. These type of animals are known as migratory animals. There are many migratory birds and fish also, and we are disturbing their route by making doing urbanization, or due to the fragmentation we are disturbing their route, and that is the cause of the extinction of these animals like birds and fish. We are making highways, dams, highways on the road in between the forest, and the you can say habitat of nature of different plants and animals, and we are constructing dam over the river or the ponds that is causing the fragmentation of natural habitat and destroying the vegetation or animals, wildlife present in that area. Next is the lack of education and awareness. People don't know, they are not aware about the importance of biodiversity, the plants and animals that are present around them. Why should we protect them? That's why they are continuously exploiting these plants and animals. Next point is environmental pollution. We have studied earlier. This is the pollution that is causing. You have studied about lichen. They grow only in that area where pollution is not present. If that area become polluted, these lichens are unable to grow. And there are many other plants and animals that are unable to grow in these type of polluted areas.